There are numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs to make money by selling print-on-demand products. This can be a great way to start or expand a business, as there is little to no overhead cost associated with print-on-demand products. One of the great things about selling print-on-demand products is that there is a wide range of products that can be sold. Entrepreneurs can sell physical goods, such as t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags, or they can sell digital products, such as e-books and artwork. The key to making money with print-on-demand products is to finding a niche market and creating quality products that appeal to that market. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe so you stay up to date with all the exciting content I'm putting out. Entrepreneurs who are able to do this can build a successful business that can provide a steady stream of income. In today's video, we will cover these topics. 1. What is print-on-demand? 2. What are the benefits of selling print-on-demand products? 3. How to get started with selling print-on-demand products. 4. How to create a print-on-demand product. 5. How to promote your print-on-demand products. 6. How to make money with print-on-demand. And at the end, I will share some tips for selling print-on-demand products. What is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand is a process where products are only printed when an order is placed for them. This differs from traditional printing methods, where products are printed in advance and then stored until they are sold. Print-on-demand is often used for products that are only printed in small quantities or where it is not possible to predict how many will be sold in advance. There are a few different ways to sell print-on-demand products. The most common is to find a manufacturer or supplier who offers print-on-demand services and then sell the products through your own website or store. You can also sell print-on-demand products through third-party websites, such as Etsy or Zazzle. Print-on-demand products can be anything from t-shirts and mugs to notebooks and phone cases. The most important thing is to find a product that you think people will want to buy and then design it in a way that is unique to your brand. If you are selling through your own website or store, you will need to set up a system for taking orders and payments and then send the orders to the print-on-demand company. They will print the products and ship them directly to your customers. If you are selling through a third-party website, they will usually handle the printing and shipping for you. You will need to create the designs for the products and then upload them to the website. Once a customer places an order, the website will send the order to the print-on-demand company, who will print and ship the product. The biggest advantage of selling print-on-demand products is that you don't need to invest in inventory. You only pay for the products when someone buys them, which means there is no risk of being stuck with unsold products. Another advantage is that you can start selling with very little upfront investment. All you need is a design, and then you can start selling immediately. The downside of selling print-on-demand products is that you usually have to charge more for them than you would for products that are mass-produced. This is because the print-on-demand companies charges more for small quantities and because the shipping costs are usually higher. However, if you are selling unique or high-quality products, you can still make a good profit margin even if you have to charge more. Print-on-demand can be a great way to start your own business with very little upfront investment. If you choose the right products and design them well, you can create a successful and profitable business. 2. What are the benefits of selling print-on-demand products?
Selling print-on-demand products has a lot of benefits.
For one, it is a great way to make money. You can set your own prices and make a profit from each sale. Additionally, it is a great way to get your work noticed. If you sell prints of your artwork, people who see them may be interested in buying other products from you, such as originals or commissions. Another great benefit of selling print-on-demand products is that it is a very low-risk venture. You do not have to spend any money up front to get started, and you do not have to worry about storing or shipping inventory. Print-on-demand companies take care of all of that for you. All you have to do is design your products and upload them to the print-on-demand website. Additionally, selling print-on-demand products is a great way to reach a global audience. People from all over the world can buy your products, which gives you the potential to make a lot of money. 3. How to get started with selling print-on-demand products. You can start by finding products that you like and setting up a shop on a platform like Shopify or Etsy. Once you have a shop set up, you can start promoting your products and making sales. To be successful at selling print-on-demand products, you need to create a brand that people will want to buy from. You can do this by creating great product photos, writing compelling product descriptions, and offering good customer service. You should also promote your products through social media, email marketing, and online advertising. 4. How to create a print-on-demand product. If you want to earn money with print-on-demand products, you'll need to create a product that people will want to buy. The best way to do this is to create a design that is both unique and attractive. You can use a program like Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator to create your design. After AI revolution, now people also create stunning design with the help of AI. You can also hire a graphic designer to create a design for you. Once you have your design, you'll need to upload it to a print-on-demand website. These websites will print your design on a variety of products, including t-shirts, mugs, bottle frames, and phone cases. You'll need to set up a pricing structure for your products, and you'll also need to create a marketing plan to promote your products. 5. How to promote your print-on-demand products. There are many ways to promote your print-on-demand products. One way is to create a social media account dedicated to your products. You can post photos of your products, as well as information about them. You can also create a website for your products. This will allow you to showcase your products and include information about them. You can also include a link to your social media account and website on your product's packaging. You can also promote your products through word of mouth. You can tell your friends and family about your products, and you can also ask them to share your products with their friends and family. You can also participate in trade shows and other events where you can sell your products. You can also create a blog about your products, and you can include links to your website and social media account. If you want to learn how to start a successful blog, you should watch my video, link in the description. Promoting your products can be a lot of work, but it will be worth it when you see your products selling. 6. How to make money with print-on-demand. There are a few key ways to make money with print-on-demand products. The first is by setting up a shop on a print-on-demand site like Zazzle or Redbubble. You can upload your designs to these sites and they will handle the printing and shipping of your products for you. The second way to make money with print-on-demand is to sell your designs to companies that print on-demand products.
These companies will often print your design on a variety of products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases.
The third way to make money with print-on-demand is to create your own products and sell them on your own website or through a third-party website like Etsy. By creating your own products, you have complete control over the quality and pricing of your products. Print-on-demand is a great way to make money if you're a creative person with a knack for design. There are a number of ways to make money with print-on-demand, so you can choose the option that best suits your talents and interests. Whether you sell your designs on a print-on-demand site to a company that produces print-on-demand products, or create your own products to sell online, you can make a decent income from selling print-on-demand products. 7. Tips for selling print-on-demand products. If you're looking to make some extra money by selling print-on-demand products, here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Do some research to find a niche market that you can tap into. This can be anything from pet lovers to sports fans to Harry Potter enthusiasts. 2. Once you've found your niche, start creating some designs that you think would appeal to that market. Again, doing some research can help you here find out what kinds of designs are popular with your target market. 3. Once you've got some designs, it's time to start promoting your products. Use social media, blogging, or even old-fashioned word of mouth to get the word out there. 4. Don't forget to take care of the business side of things, too. Make sure you're pricing your products competitively and that you have a system in place for taking payments and delivering orders. 5. Finally, always be willing to adjust and adapt as needed. If something's not working, don't be afraid to change it up. The world of print on demand is always evolving, so you need to be too. By following these tips, you should be well on your way to making money from selling print on demand products. Just remember to stay flexible, be willing to work hard, and always put your customers first. Hope this video was helpful. If you have some questions in mind, feel free to ask me in comments. I will try my best to answer your question. Like the video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you don't miss any video I upload in future. See you in next video. Have a nice day.